Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Such a nice Guernsey. Oh, that's a good number too. Yes. That's my old number. In local. Damn. Oh! It already has my name on it. Wow. SA. Damn. This is a really nice room. These are massive lockers. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How good.
Really cool, actually. Yeah. Wow. Looks awesome. Thanks.
Well done, mate. How good.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Full kit for the tour, you know, really immersing yourselves.
yeah.
And,
Yeah.
People know who you are.
Back midfield, I guess. Yeah.
Sorry. How are you? I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Yeah,
Sorry.
husky.
Where's my background? Not gonna
Yeah. You guys! Stop that. You guys would love this.
There you go. We're just out. Yeah, it seems. Got me eating the bloody wrap.
What's for lunch? Look, it's starting.
Congratulations, Paul.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, nice to meet you. For you. Hey, Lily, is it? Yes. You too. Thank you.
Hello. How are you?
Yay! This is the exact number I wanted! Do you want to take us through why you wanted 2? I don't know, 2's always been important to me. I know it's got a lot of meaning behind it with Jess Dalpos as well, so I love that I'm able to bring it out of retirement again, and I hope I do it justice. But yeah, that means a lot to me. Oh my god! Cool. That's me. How cool. I'm excited. Thank you. Oh, nice to meet you.
Hello. How are you? Look at us reuniting.
Right? A couple of days.
Oh, number 4. It's my favourite number. Yeah, wore it at Gold Coast for the last 5 years. So yeah, stoked to wear the number 4 for the baggers. And have some pretty handy locker buddies in Darcy and Abby, so that's so exciting. Cool.
That is great.
Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are good lockers.
Amelia's drink bottle habit. Good luck. You're not going to be able to get into your locker because Amelia brings a water tank.
I'm so sorry, that's cool.
It's going to be great. I'm glad somebody's doing
I
it.
hope I can do it justice for you.
You already have, don't worry. You volunteered to sit next to Amelia?
Yes, daggers!
Yeah. How are you? Excited?
Yes. This morning, yeah. I've been waiting for like a week. Yeah, good to meet you.
When are you moving down officially?
Probably like March-ish.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. Got a bit of time.
Yeah, you don't get the sun up. No, but it was nice to.
Yeah, it's good. That'd be good. You guys are on this. Seems like you're fun.
No, it'll be good.
Oh my god! Oh god. Bear.
That is so cool.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, 26. That's so cool. Got number 6 in it. No. Oh, Keely. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, wow. Very exciting.
Never gonna come in here yet, ever.
Hey, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Congratulations on the draft.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Yeah, very excited.
Yeah.
Still doesn't feel real.
Yeah, I bet. Have you been around here for a tour?
Yeah, we spent before and then obviously like East and all that.
Yeah, makes sense. Cool.
Oh,
Well, now you get to have your name on lock up.
yeah. Oh, it's already on there.
Yeah.
Go hit your space next week. Yeah, wow.